Hello children, welcome back to your social studies class. Children, today we are going to revise the test portion. Can you understood children? So now you have to take your social studies note, lesson number 7. You have to take lesson number 7. Have you all taken children? Yes, lesson number 7, my neighborhood, isn't it? So the first Roman letter, that is new words, isn't it children? Children all should open your mouth and say the spelling, okay? Yes, the first one, neighborhood. What's the spelling neighborhood? Neigbourhood, neighborhood. Now we move to the second one, firefighters. What's the spelling firefighters? F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S, firefighters. Clear children? Now we move to the third one, shopkeeper. What's the spelling shopkeeper? S-H-O-P-K-E-E-P-E-R, shopkeeper. Now we move to the fourth one, jewellery. Jewellery, jewellery. And then the fifth one, patients. P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S, patients. Sixth one, that is clinic. What's the spelling clinic? C-L-I-N-I-C, clinic. The seventh one, guard. G-U-A-R-D, guard. And the eighth one, fire engines. F-I-R-E-E-N-G-I-N-E-S, fire engines. The ninth one, stamps. S-T-A-M-P-S, stamps. And the tenth one, injure. I-N-J-U-R-E, injure. So the seventh lesson, my neighborhood, the first Roman letter new words. The first one is neighborhood, second one firefighters, third one shopkeeper, fourth one jewellery, the fifth one patients, sixth one clinic, seventh one guard, eighth one fire engines, ninth one stamps, tenth one injure. Okay children, now we move to the second Roman letter. That is fill in the blanks. The first one, there are dash in every shop. There are shopkeepers in every shop. What's the spelling shopkeepers? S-H-O-P-K-E-E-P-E-R-S, shopkeepers. Okay children, now we move to the second one. Children play in the dash. Children play in the park. What's the spelling park? P-A-R-K, park. Okay. So third one, dash and dash look after the patients in a hospital. Doctors and nurses look after the patients in a hospital. So what's the spelling doctors? D-O-C-T-O-R-S, doctors. What's the spelling nurse? N-U-R-S-E-S, nurses. So doctors and nurses look after the patients in a hospital. And now we move to the fourth one. The dash put out fires and save life. The dash put out fires and save life. Firefighters. What's the spelling firefighters? F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-G-H-T-R-S, fighters. F-I-G-H-T-R-S, fighters. So the firefighters put out fires and save life. Fifth one. A dash has many policewomen and policemen. Police station. What's the spelling police station? P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, police station. So the second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, there are dash in every shop. There are shopkeepers in every shop. Second one, children play in the dash. Children play in the park. Third one, dash and dash look after the patients in a hospital. Doctors and nurses look after the patients in a hospital. Fourth one, the dash put out fires and save life. The firefighters put out fires and save life. Fifth one, a dash has many policemen and policemen. A police station has many policewomen and policemen. Clear children? Now we move to the next Roman letter children. Now we move to the third Roman letter, that is choose the right answer. First one, people who live in a neighborhood or our dash. People who live in a neighborhood are our neighbors. Enemies or neighbors? People who live in our neighborhoods, that is neighbors, isn't it children? Not enemies. So what's the spelling neighbors? N-A-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S, neighbors. Okay. Now we move to the second one. We buy bread and butter from the dash, shop or bank. What is the answer? Which one is answer? Shop, isn't it children? So we buy bread and butter from the shop. What's the spelling shop? S-H-O-P, shop. Now we move to the third one. We go to a dash when we are sick or injured. School or hospital? We go to a hospital when we are sick or injured. Can you understand children? So what's the spelling hospital? H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Now children, we move to the fourth one. We must keep our neighborhood dash clean or dirty. We must keep our neighborhood clean. What's the spelling clean? C-L-E-A-N, clean. Now we move to the fifth one. A dash has many shops. Police station or market? A dash has many shops. A market has many shops. What's the spelling market? M-A-R-K-E-T, market. So the first one, people who live in a neighborhood are our neighbors. People who live in a neighborhood are our neighbors. We buy bread and butter from the dash. We buy bread and butter from the shop. We go to a dash when we are sick or injured. We go to a hospital when we are sick or injured. We must keep our neighborhood dash. We must keep our neighborhood clean. A dash has many shops. A market has many shops. Okay children, now we move to the next Roman letter, that is fourth Roman letter. Answer the following. The first question. What is a neighborhood? The area around a house is called a neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? The area around a house is called a neighborhood. The area around a house is called a neighborhood. Can you understand children? Here you are going to study the spelling of area. A-R-E-A, area. What's the spelling around? A-R-O-U-N-D, around. So the area around a house is called a neighborhood. Okay children, now we move to the next question. Why do people go to the post office? Why do people go to the post office? People go to the post office to buy stamps and postcards, to post letters, to send parcels to the near and near of, and to invest in postal savings. To invest in postal savings. So people go to post office, first thing to buy stamps and postcards, and the next one to post letters, and the next one to send parcels to the near and near of, and to invest the postal savings. Can you understand children? Now we move to the next question. What does the police do? What does the police do? The police guard the neighborhood and help people find their lost goods. Can you understand children? The police guard the neighborhood and help people find their lost goods. Okay, now we move to the fourth one. When do people call up the fire station? When do people call up the fire station? When there is a big fire, people call up the fire station. When there is big fire, okay, there is a big fire, people call up the fire station. And the next Roman letter, the Roman letter fifth. Answer in detail. So first one. How are banks useful to people? How are banks useful to people? People keep money and jewelry in banks for safety reasons. People keep money and jewelry in bank for safety reasons. The second point, many neighborhoods have ATMs. Many neighborhoods have ATMs. And people take out money from ATMs. People take out money from ATMs. So people keep money and jewelry in bank for safety reasons. Many neighborhoods have ATMs. People take out money from ATMs. Okay, children. So that's all this lesson, children. Now we move to the next lesson. So you have to take a next lesson. Can you understood, children? Children, have you all taken the next lesson? Yes, playtime is fun time. Lesson 8, playtime is fun time. So the first Roman letter, new words. First one, enjoy. What's the spelling enjoy? E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. The second one, seesaws. What's the spelling seesaws? S-E-E-S-A-W-S, seesaws. And the third one, ludo. L-U-D-O, ludo. And the fourth one, cricket. What's the spelling cricket? C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. And the fifth one, ladders. L-A-D-D-E-R-S, ladders. And the sixth one, puppet shows. P-U-P-P-E-T-S-H-O-W-S, puppet shows. And the seventh one, great. G-R-E-A-T, great. And the eighth one, fair. F-A-I-R, fair. And the ninth one, picnics. P-I-C-N-I-C-S, picnics. The 10th one, hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. So that's all the first Roman letter, children. Here, the first Roman letter, new words. The first one, enjoy. Second one, seesaws. Third one, ludo. Fourth one, cricket. Fifth one, ladders. Sixth one, puppet shows. Seventh one, great. Eighth one, fair. Ninth one, picnics. 10th one, hockey. Okay, children. Now we move to the second Roman number. So what is the second Roman number? Fill in the blanks. Okay. So the first one. Children like to watch dash at the fair. Children like to watch dash at the fair. Puppet shows. What's the spelling puppet shows, children? P-U-P-P-E-T-S-H-O-W-S, puppet shows. Okay. Now we move to the second one. It is great dash playing with friends in the park. It is great fun. It is great fun playing with friends in the park. What's the spelling fun? F-U-N, fun. Okay. Now we move to the third one. Hockey is an dash game. Hockey is an outdoor game. What's the spelling outdoor? O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor. Hockey is an outdoor games. Fourth one. Children like to go for dash with their family. Children like to go for picnics with their family. What's the spelling picnics? P-I-C-N-I-C-S, picnics. Children like to watch puppet shows at fair. It is great fun playing with friends in the park. Hockey is an outdoor games. Children like to go for picnics with their family. Now we move to the third Roman letter. Choose the right answer. First one. We see wild animals in a dash. Farm or zoo? Where? Yes. We see wild animals in a zoo. What's the spelling zoo? Z-O-O, zoo. Okay. And the next one. There are swings and slides in a dash. Park or market? There are swings and slides in a park or market? Yes, park. What's the spelling park? P-A-R-K, park. Okay. Now we move to the third one. Football and cricket are dash games. Indoor or outdoor? Football and cricket are outdoor games. What's the spelling outdoor? O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor. So we see wild animals in a dash. We see wild animals in a zoo. The second one, there are swings and slides in a park. There are swings and slides in a park. Football and cricket are dash games. Football and cricket are outdoor games. Okay, children. Now we move to the next Roman letter. That is fourth Roman letter, isn't it? Answer the following. Fourth Roman letter. Answer the following. The first question. When do we have fun? What is the first question? When do we have fun? We have fun when we do things we enjoy. We have fun when we do things we enjoy. Okay. And the next one, write the names of 3 indoor games. You have to write any 3. Okay, children. So here, Ludo, snakes and ladders, and carom are indoor games. What's the spelling Ludo? Ludo. What's the spelling snakes and ladders? Snakes, snakes. Ladders, ladders, snakes and ladders. What's the spelling carom? Carrom, carom. So Ludo, snakes and ladders, and carom are indoor games. Okay, children. Now we move to the third question. Why should we play outdoor games? We should play outdoor games because it keeps us healthy. We should play outdoor games because it keeps us healthy. Okay, children. So that's all the 8th lesson. Now we move to the next lesson, that is 9th lesson. Okay, children, have you all taken the 9th lesson? Yes, lesson 9, festivals are fun. Okay, so here first Roman letter, new words. The first one, festivals. What's the spelling festivals? Festivals, festivals. The second one, decorate. What's the spelling decorate? Decorate, decorate. The third one, candles. Candles, candles. Fourth one, rangolis. Rangolis, rangolis. Fifth one, diyas. Diyas, diyas. Sixth one, swine. Swain, swine. Seventh one, gulal. Gulal, gulal. Eighth one, gujia. Gujia. Ninth one, gurupurab. Gurupurab. Tenth one, remember. Remember, remember. So children, here festivals, decorate, candles, rangolis, diyas, swine, gulal, gujia, gurupurab, remember. So that's all the first Roman letter. Now we move to the second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Diwali is the festival of dash. Diwali is the festival of lights. What's the spelling lights? Lights, lights. Now the second one, dash is the month of fasting. Ramzan is the month of fasting. What's the spelling Ramzan? Ramzan, Ramzan. Now we move to the third one, people put dash on each other on Holi. People put gulal on each other on Holi. What's the spelling gulal? Gulal, gulal. Now we move to the fourth one. People pray and listen to the dash in Gurudwara. People pray and listen to the Guru Granth Sahib in Gurudwara. So what's the spelling Guru? Guru, Guru. What's the spelling Granth? Granth, Granth. What's the spelling Sahib? Sahib, Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. Now we move to the fifth one. Christmas is the birthday of dash. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. What's the spelling Jesus Christ? Jesus, Jesus, Christ, Christ, Jesus Christ. Okay, children. So that's all the second Roman number. Now we move to the third Roman number. Children, have you all taken the third Roman number? Yes, match the following. Here, first one, Christmas. Special cakes. Christmas, special cakes. Onam, Onam Satya. Onam Satya. Gurupurab, Langar. Gurupurab, Langar. Holi, Gujia. Holi, Gujia. Eid, swine. Eid, swine. Pongal, Tamil Nadu. Pongal, Tamil Nadu. Okay, children, that's all the third Roman letter. Now we move to the next Roman letter, that is fourth Roman number. Okay, children. Children, have you all taken the fourth Roman number? Yes, answer the following, isn't it? How is it celebrated? How is it celebrated? On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to a mosque to pray. After the prayers, they say Eid Mubarak to each other. On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to a mosque to pray. After the prayers, they say Eid Mubarak to each other. Can you understand, children? Yes, now we move to the second question. Why do people celebrate Guru Purab? Why do people celebrate Guru Purab? People celebrate Guru Purab to remember the Sikh Gurus. To remember the Sikh Gurus. People celebrate Guru Purab to remember the Sikh Gurus. Okay, children? Now we move to the next question. When is Christmas celebrated? When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. And the next one, where is Onam celebrated? Where is Onam celebrated? Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Okay. Fifth one, how is Pongal celebrated? How is Pongal celebrated? People decorate their houses, they wear new clothes and worship cows. A sweet dish called Pongal is cooked. People decorate their houses, they wear new clothes and worship cows. A sweet dish called Pongal is cooked. Can you understand, children? So now we move to the next Roman number. Okay, children. Now the fifth Roman number, answer in detail. First question, how do people celebrate Diwali? How do people celebrate Diwali? On Diwali, people pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Okay. The second point, people decorate their houses with colorful rangolis, diyas, candles and fairy lights. Okay. People decorate their houses with colorful rangolis, diyas, candles and fairy lights. And the third Roman number, people wear new clothes. And the fourth one, they eat sweets. They eat sweets. So how do people celebrate Diwali? On Diwali, people pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People decorate their houses with colorful rangolis, diyas, candles and fairy lights. People wear new clothes. They eat sweets. Can you understand, children? So that's all the 9th lesson, children. Now we move to the 10th lesson. Okay. So you have to take a 10th lesson now. Children, have you all taken the 10th lesson? Yes. Lesson number 10, places of worship. Lesson number 10, places of worship. Okay. So the first Roman letter, new words. First one, worship. What's the spelling worship? WORSHIP, worship. The second one, together. What's the spelling together? TOGETHER, together. Third one, church. What's the spelling church? CHURCH, church. Fourth one, temple. TEMPLE, temple. Fifth one, different. DIFFERENT, different. Sixth one, mosque. MOSQUE, mosque. Seventh one, holy. HOLY, holy. Eighth one, Quran. QURAN, Quran. Ninth one, what is the ninth one, children? Bible. What's the spelling Bible? BIBLE, Bible. And the 10th one, Bhagavad Gita. What's the spelling Bhagavad Gita, children? BHAGWADGITA, Bhagavad Gita. Okay, children? So that's all the first Roman letter. Now we move to the second Roman number. Choose the correct answer. Okay. So the first one, the four friends pray to the dash. Same God or different God? Same God, isn't it? The four friends pray to the same God. SAMEGOD, same God. Okay. And the second one, people offers prayer dash times a day in a mosque. People offers prayer dash times a day in a mosque. 3 or 5? 5. The answer is 5. Okay. Now we move to the third one. The dash is a holy book of Muslim. The dash is a holy book of Muslim. Quran or Panchatantra? Quran. 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 Okay. Now we move to the fourth one, children. The dash is a holy place of worship for the Hindus. Market or temple? Temple. 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 Okay. So the temple is a holy place of worship for the Hindus. Can you understand, children? Now we move to the next one, the fifth one. Some people go to the dash to pray. Park or church. Some people go to the church to pray, isn't it? So that's all the second Roman number. Now we move to the third Roman number. Match the following. Okay, children. So the first one, church, Bible. Church, Bible. Mosque, Quran. Mosque, Quran. Third one, Gurupurab, Guru Granth Sahib. Gurupurab, Guru Granth Sahib. Temple, Bhagavad Gita. Temple, Bhagavad Gita. Church, Bible. Mosque, Quran. Gurupurab, Guru Granth Sahib. Temple, Bhagavad Gita. Okay, children. Now we move to the fourth Roman number. Answer the following. Whom do people pray to in a church? Whom do people pray to in a church? People pray to Jesus Christ in a church. People pray to Jesus Christ in a church. Okay, so whom do people pray to in a church? Jesus Christ. Isn't it, children? Now we move to the second one. Write the names of any two holy books. Write the names of any two holy books. The Guru Granth Sahib and the Bhagavad Gita. The Guru Granth Sahib and the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, children. So that's all the fourth Roman number. Now we move to the next Roman number. Children, have you all taken the fifth Roman number? Answer in detail. Okay. So here list the places of worship the four friends go to. So Anna prays in a church. Anna prays in a church. Salim prays in a mosque. Manjit prays in a Gurudwara. Bhigu prays in a temple. So Anna prays in a church. Salim prays in a mosque. Manjit prays in a Gurudwara. Bhigu prays in a temple. Can you understand, children? So that's all the 10th lesson. Now we move to the 11th lesson. Okay. Have you all taken the 11th lesson? Lesson number 11. Our beautiful earth. The first Roman number, new words. First one, plain. So what's the spelling plain? P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Second one, breathe. What's the spelling breathe? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Third one, through. What's the spelling through? T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Fourth one, remind. What's the spelling remind? R-E-M-A-I-N. Remind. Fifth one, valley. What's the spelling valley? V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. Sixth one, land. L-A-N-D. Land. Seventh one, Plateau. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. Eighth one, area. A-R-E-A. Area. Ninth one, flows. F-L-O-W-S. Flows. 10th one, around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. So that's all the first Roman number. Now we move to the second Roman number. Fill in the blanks. First one. We live on the dash. We live on the earth. What's the spelling earth? E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Second one. We need dash to breathe. We need air to breathe. A-I-R. Air. Third one. A dash flows through a valley. A stream flows through a valley. Stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. So a stream flows through a valley. Okay. Now we move to the next one, children. Fourth one. In summer the dash remain cool. In summer the hills remain cool. Fifth one. Some mountains are covered with dash. Some mountains are covered with snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Children, now we move to the third Roman number. Write yes or no. First one. Plants and animals live on the sun? No. Plants and animals live on the land, isn't it? Number 2. The earth is round in shape. The earth is round in shape? Yes. Third one. The plateau is also called a valley? No. The plateau is also called a tableland, isn't it, children? So here, no. The fourth one. very high hills are called mountains? Yes, very high hills are called mountains. Okay, children, now we move to the next Roman number. Roman number 4, answer the following. Okay, first question. What are the 3 things that the earth has? The earth has air, water and land. What are the 3 important things that earth has? Air, water and land. Okay, now we move to the second one, children. What is a valley? The land between 2 hills or mountains is called a valley. The land between 2 hills or 2 mountains is called a valley. Okay, what is a plateau? A hill with a flat top is called a plateau. The tableland. Okay, children, a hill with a flat top is called a plateau. Okay, now we move to the 5th Roman number. Answer in detail. Write about plains. So yet write about plains. Some points. Okay, first point, flatland is called a plain. Flatland is called a plain. Now we move to the second point. The second point, many rivers flow through the plains. Many rivers flow through the plains. Third point, people live and grow crops on the plain. People live and grow crops on the plain. Fourth one, in summer it is hot in the plain. In summer it is hot in the plain. Okay, children. So that's all this lesson. Now we move to the next lesson, children. Children, have you all taken the next lesson? Lesson number 12, seasons. So the first Roman number, new words. First one, seasons. What's the spelling seasons? S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. Second one, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Third one, children, that is spring. What's the spelling spring? S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. The fourth one, autumn. What's the spelling autumn? A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. And the fifth one, bright. What's the spelling bright? B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. The sixth one, air conditioners. What's the spelling air conditioners? A-I-R-C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-E-R-S, air conditioners. Now we move to the next one, heaters. What's the spelling heaters, children? H-E-A-T-E-R-S, heaters. Okay, now we move to the eighth one, that is rainbow. What's the spelling rainbow? R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. And the next one, the ninth one, bloom. What's the spelling bloom? B-L-O-O-M, bloom. The 10th one, petals. P-U-D-D-L-E-S, petals. Okay, so that's all the first Roman number, children. Now we move to the second Roman number. Fill in the blanks. The sun shines dash. The sun shines brightly. What's the spelling brightly? B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. The second one, we wear dash clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. What's the spelling cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Now we move to the third one. We like to have dash drinks in winter. Hot drinks. We like to have hot drinks in winter. So H-O-T, hot. Okay. Fourth one, it is fun to sail dash in petals, paper boats. It is fun to sail paper boats in petals. P-A-P-E-R, paper, B-O-A-T-S, boats. Okay. Fifth one, dash comes after winter. Spring comes after winter. What's the spelling spring? S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Okay, children. So now we move to the next Roman number. So the next Roman number, choose the right answer. First one, we wear dash clothes in winter, woolen or cotton. We wear woolen clothes in winter. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Okay. Now we move to the second one, children. The dash season is very cold. Summer or winter? The winter season is very cold, isn't it? So what's the spelling winter? W-I-N-T-R, winter. Third one. Flowers bloom in dash, spring or monsoon? Spring. Flowers bloom in spring. And the fourth one, dash comes after monsoon, before winter. Winter or autumn? Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn comes after monsoon and before winter. Now the fourth Roman number. Match the following. Very hot, summer. Snows, winter. Rainbow, monsoon. Trees shed their leaves, autumn. Very hot summer, snows winter, rainbow monsoon, trees shed their leaves, autumn. Okay children, now we move to the next Roman number. Have you all taken the next Roman number? The fifth Roman number, answer the following. First one, write the names of all the seasons. So what are the seasons? Summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn, isn't it? So now we move to the second one. How do people keep cool in summer? People use fans, coolers and air conditioners to keep themselves cool in summer. To keep themselves cool in summer. The third one. How do people keep themselves warm in winter? People light fires or use heaters to keep themselves warm in winter. To keep themselves warm in winter. Okay children, now that's all the fifth Roman letter. Now we move to the next Roman number. Now the sixth Roman number, answer in detail children. Describe the monsoon season. So what is a monsoon season? That is a rainy season, isn't it? So describe the monsoon season. It rains heavily during the monsoon season. Sometimes strong winds blow. Sometimes strong winds blow. We see a rainbow after it has rained. We see a rainbow after it has rained. So first point, it rains heavily during the monsoon season. Sometimes strong winds blow. We see a rainbow after it has rained. Okay children, so that's all the video children. In this video we have discussed lesson number 7 to lesson number 12. So you have to study thoroughly. Take a book and read the particular lesson also. Okay children, so thank you children. Take care of your health.